Airlines would like to welcome you to Raleigh-Durham Airport. Local time here is about 4:20. For continued comfort and safety, we do ask you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain's arrive at the gate and turn that fasten seatbelt sign above you off. At that time, you are free to move out the cabin, collect any of your carrying items you may have brought on board with you. We'll be deplaning to the forward left-hand door only, and we caution to walk carefully and directly into the terminal. If you have checked bags, they can be claimed at the carousel area, baggage claim area. Look for flight Alaska Flight 754. Been a pleasure having you on board today, folks. We hope in the near future, if your travel plans permit, like to see another Alaska Airlines flight. We appreciate your business. Have a great stay here in the Raleigh-Durham area, wherever you end up. And once again, keep an eye on that fasten seatbelt sign till the captain's depart at the gate and turn that sign above you on. Thank you so much. Have a great afternoon.